Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Adobe Express to prep YouTube thumbnails and videos, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Express website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. You can choose to sign up using email or social media accounts. Once you sign up, log in to your Adobe Express account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top. Type YouTube thumbnail or YouTube video in the search bar. Click on the template that best fits your needs. This will open the design workspace. On the left side, you'll see various design tools and options. Select Add Image to upload your own photos or graphics. You can also choose from Adobe's stock images if needed. To add text, click on the text option on the left menu. Type in your desired text and customize the font, size, and color. Position your text as needed within the thumbnail. You can also add shapes or icons for extra flair. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the download button at the top right. Choose the appropriate file format for your thumbnail. For YouTube, a JPEG or PNG is recommended. Save the file to your computer. Now, you need to authorize Adobe Express for video prep. Head to the Adobe Express settings by clicking on your profile picture. Look for Connected Apps in the Settings menu. Select the option to connect with YouTube. You may be prompted to log into your YouTube account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Adobe Express the necessary permissions. Once connected, you can directly import media from your YouTube account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.